Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to What's Joe Cooking. Today we're taking a culinary adventure to the beautiful Yunnan province of China to explore a mouth-watering dish, Yunnan Thai-style cilantro beef stir-fry. You may not know that Thai people have a significant presence in this southwestern Chinese region, and this dish is one of the signature dish. If you know your Thai food, it resembles a lot with the dish Pad Kra Pao. But instead of using holy basil, we use the sawtooth cilantro here, also known as culantro. So let's dive right in and learn how to make this delicious stir fry. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of my amazing recipes. It's a very easy and quick stir fry, so it's perfect for a weeknight dinner. The most work is done at the prep, so we have ground beef, culantro, garlic, and Thai chili. For seasoning, we have oyster sauce and soy sauce. You may also add some black or white pepper. Prepping is simple. Chop the herbs and aromatics to very fine pieces, just like the ground beef. You want this to release as much aroma as possible, so chop them finely. You can choose the amount of chilies, and for me, I go for spicy, so I use 3 pieces. For stir frying, heat up a good amount of oil and fry the ground beef first. You want to break up into small pieces and fry until the beef is slightly browned. Make sure there's little to no water left in the oil and add in the garlic and chili. The high temperature will make the dish more fragrant. Now we can add in the oyster sauce and soy sauce. Stir fry for a little bit, and finally we add in the culantro. This has to be the last step to ensure the intense aroma of the herb. Just several seconds later, we can plate. The dish is super easy to make and goes extremely well with the rice. Perfect for a quick weekday meal. I'll definitely introduce more Chinese Thai style dish in the future. Thanks for watching and see you next time.